Here's a tip. If you have any props that are in-fed, meaning that your in and out are going to be on the same end, I would recommend splicing your power together at your start. So you have in, parallel your power for in and out to your next prop, and then pass your data through, bring your data back. So here is my in line. It feeds this first pixel, and then I have a wire that comes from the top pixel back down. This isn't originally how I had this configured. I originally had it coming in, going all the way up, and then the back feed was, or I guess the wire was feeding the next prop. And I was having a lot of power, data integrity issues where I had flickering at like full white. And I got this idea from like icicles, and I did all my pixel sticks or like pixel forest like this as well, where I'm only passing the data through and leaving power connected here. I'll show that here on the pixel stick in a second. So this is how I did it on the pixel sticks. I used these 3-wire Scotch locks, and so brought all 3 powers in. One's from the previous pixel stick, the next one goes on, and then this one feeds the bottom. And then for the top, I just cut them off at 2 different lengths and then heat shrinked it with some waterproof heat shrink, and then passed the data back down and through. And by doing this, I don't know, all your voltage isn't going through each pixel. So like if you were to take the voltage from here, there's a lot more resistance going through all of the pixels to feed your next one. Whereas in this case, it's just T-tapping basically at the bottom of every prop and feeding that line. You're still going to have voltage drop, but it's not going to be as dramatic because it's not having to pass through each pixel as well. Hopefully this helps.